Hello, my name is Ioana, and in this video I will show you the first two steps that need to be configured when you start working with SalesRay. We go to Administration and System Setup. First thing you see is these general settings. They will appear only if the user that's logged into the system is the administrator of the account. The other users will not see this step. Also, this interface should be configured with the help of your consultant. The next step is to set up your company and offices with all necessary details. Please remember that the correct creation of documents in the system depends on the data you enter here, and that all these details will appear on your issued documents. With the Edit button, you can open the company folder and change the present information that you see in the system. The first thing you need to input is your company name and your unique identification code. You can also enter your VAT number, which can then be verified in VS. The next step is to enter information about the address and the company manager. You can also mark the address entered here as headquarters, and the system will automatically create the company's central office with that specific address. Below, you can see a panel with some of the documents that you can issue. At this stage, you cannot change their numbering. What you need to keep in mind, however, is that you can define individual numbering for various documents and split them by company, office, and warehouse. If you don't have any special requirements, you can leave them as they are right now in the system. But if you have to change them, please talk to your consultant and you can do that together. All changes made have to be saved with the confirmation button. In addition to your company information, you can enter your logos here to the right, and they will appear in the header and footer of the documents generated by the system. In order for your logos to appear, you must upload them with these two buttons. The next step is to create your offices or simply change the existing ones. In the system, you can add an unlimited number of offices. In addition to registering your physical, territorially divided offices, you can create other types of offices to divide your business logically, for example, and not just geographically. The creation of offices has several benefits. First of all, you will get separate numbering of documents. This is especially important for financial documents. You can grant different rights for those offices by restricting who can see and edit what, and you can also create detailed reports based on them. You must have at least one office in the system. We have pre-configured two examples here. If that's enough for you, you can edit them and enter your business details with the Edit button. If you no longer want to use a particular office, you can archive it with the Archive button. All changes must be saved with the Confirm button. To create a new office, press this plus button associated to your company and fill in the necessary details related to the address and the contact responsible for that office. Below, you will find again documents related to that office, which have already numbers given by us, but you can change as follows. Select the new option and enter the desired format here. Alternatively, by clicking this button, you can edit them one by one from the Edit buttons to the right. An important functionality that you need to set up is to indicate who is allowed to see and work with the documents generated in that office. This is done from the same interface with this button. Everywhere you see this button in the system, please remember that it relates to permissions and rights, and you will have to set them yourself. For offices, there are two user permissions: to be able to view and to be able to work. If you give a user only the right to see the office, they will be able to see the issued financial documents, for example, but will not be able to change them. Generating, editing, and generally working with documents in that office is only possible when the user has permission to work there. Granting and removing rights is done by ticking or removing ticks. All changes are saved with the confirmation button. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day.